What up, good people? Today is a product review. So we got this sun visor. They hit me up. I don't even know the company name, but they hit me up. They said, hey, can you review this sun visor? And I was like, alright, cool. So we got this sun visor. This is a long box right here. So we just gotta put it up here and see how that works, you know. ArtOfSpeedd. First things first, we got some foams. Alright. Oh, what was that? So, yeah, let's see what we're gonna do. Hold on, give me a second. It's not like the Ram. What was that? Oh, it gave me a screwdriver. Let's see, can I find the instructions to try to set this thing up. Look pretty cool. Let's see. Initial thought, that's pretty cool that they provided a screwdriver. So it looked like I'm gonna need a screwdriver. Alright, cool. They gave me what I need. So it looked like it's supposed to hang on to my sun visor. They gave me some clips. Clip's supposed to do. Okay. Alright, cool. See a little bit what I need to do. These supposed to, I guess. Alright, hold on. I gotta look at the instructions again. Yeah, so they're gonna be up there like that. I'm gonna be honest with you. Alright, initial thought behind that is, alright, cool. They provided these clips to go on the sun visor. So my understanding is unscrew one of them, and this is for the left side because it got L and right. So this for the right side, this for the left side. My understanding is supposed to go right up in here, like on the sun visor, but it don't look like it's going on the sun visor. Supposed to go like on the end of the sun visor. So let's see. So that's how it goes on. It fits on, so they can just close like that, and the sun visor sits right there, and then I just pull it down. But we'll still go through the whole demonstration of the video. And then when I get in the car, I just press this button right here, and it rolls it back up, and then boom. If you got the sun beaming on you this way, you can still take your sun visor off, rotate it, mount it back up. If you're enjoying this video, go and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of ArtOfSpeedd family, go ahead and that subscribe button. And yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.